Our special of the month for September are these GoPods, which are 50% off for the whole month of September while stocks last. So these GoPods take a 59mm tin pan, which we also sell. So how you use these is you fill up the tin pan. It could be a cream concealer, it could be a pressed foundation, or even a multitude of different eyeshadows that have been pressed together, so you've got different shades mixed up. So an example of this is, here's our cream concealer into a smaller GoPod, and then we have a pressed foundation. We also do have recipes for these as well. So this is how they fit once it's done. Fits in there, closes up, and there we have our GoPod. And here is a finished one with a compact and a sponge inside. So 50% off for the month of September.